Okay, welcome back to another video on the Maths channel. It's your teacher, Mr. Lim here, and in this video we're going to be looking at question 20 from the Caringbah 2020 trial. The diagram shows the curves y equals 2 minus 3 on x and y equals x minus 2 for x is greater than or equal to 0. Find the coordinates of the 2 points P and Q where the two curves intersect. So because they intersect each other, we need to make both of them equal to each other. So y equals this, y also equals to that, so I'm going to have x minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 3 over x. I'm just going to multiply every single term by x, so we've got x squared minus 2x is equal to 2x minus 3. That helps me get rid of that denominator of x. I'm going to move everything to one side. So that leaves me with x squared minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. And now I can factorize. X minus 3, x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x has to equal to 3 and 1. So we can see here that this point here, this is 1. And this point here, this is when x is 3. So we know that P is 1 something, and we know that Q is 3 something. Let's work out what those are. So when x is equal to 3, y is going to equal to, I'm just going to use this one because that's the easiest one to use. 3 minus 2 is 1, and when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 minus 2, which is negative 1. So 3 is 1, 1 is negative 1. So therefore, P is 1 minus 1, and Q is 3, 1. Question B. Hence, find in simplest form the area of the shaded region contained between the two curves. So if we scroll back to the graph, the area between the two curves is here. And in order to work out the area, it's always the top curve minus the bottom. So the top curve is this here, 2 minus 3 on x, and the bottom curve is x minus 2. So we're going to be integrating from 1 to 3 of 2 minus 3 on x minus 2. Okay. So the area is going to equal to the integral from 1 to 3 of the top curve being 2 minus 3 on x minus the bottom curve, which is x minus 2 dx. So let's just get rid of these inner brackets here to clean it up a bit. 2 minus 3 on x minus x plus 2. Well, that just becomes 4. That 2 plus 2 is just 4. Okay. So let's integrate this. We get 4x minus, well, 3 on x. What do we get when we integrate a fraction? So we integrate 3 on x. That's over here. We're going to be using this. It's going to be 3 lots of ln of f of x. 3 ln of x minus x squared on 2 from 1 to 3. And now we can sub these values in. So we've got 4 times 3 is 12 minus 3 ln of 3 minus 9 on 2. And we need to subtract 4 lots of 1 minus 3 ln of 1 minus half. Okay, let's tidy this up. So we've got 4 minus half is 3.5. So we've got 12, actually, let's do this. 12 minus 9 over 2 minus the 4 minus half. That's 4. We've got minus 3 ln of 3 plus 3 ln of 1. Well, ln of 1 is just 0. So we're just going to have our 3 ln of 3. Now, because the question says finding area, we need to put our units squared.